G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is April 22, 2023. This is the spot gold price update. You can see here on the daily and the 4 hourly on our CCI 1500 moving average 400, it's in an upswing, although on the hourly it's broken down on that indicator, so potential short-term retracement possibly. So let's look at each of these timelines. First of all, on a daily, you can see there it's bounced off that resistance at 2047. And we've got this support area down here at 1809. If I zoom out, there's also this ascending diagonal trend line, and that's ways off at the moment in terms of the support level. So in the short term, we're looking at retracement of this resistance. On the 4 hour chart, I've got these two other diagonal trend lines, and it's broken down through that. And we're going to keep that lower level there because it may gravitate back to that if it starts breaking to the upside again. But again, we're slightly weakening, but we're still in an uptrend on the CCI moving average. You can see there as well during that Fibonacci retracement from that low at 1809 to that high at 2047. It's retraced and broken through the 23%, which is the 1991, and it's halfway down between the 23 and the 38%. And the 38% is at 1956, so it's sort of hovering in there in a little range there on the 4 hour period. On the hourly, that's broken to the downside on the CCI, which is a weakening signal. So again, looking at this range between 1950 and 2031, it's actually, you can see there it demonstrates how the 60% level, it bounced off that 60% level, and that's what we look for in terms of a continuation of the uptrend. Or if it breaks to the downside, it starts to weaken and potentially reverse. And that's what this signifies. So between that low at 1950 to that high at 2046, you can see there it's the 61% was at that level there at 1987, and it's broken down through that. It's touched it once, then it's broken down through a couple of times. So that's a weakening sign, and we could see some further downside possibly. But again, we need to see it break higher than that to be more confident about going bullish, and we need to see this CCI break to the upside to be more bullish on it. So overall, again, a daily and a 4 hourly and an upswings, but we're seeing some minor weakness on the hourly. So just to be more confident about and going bullish, we want to see the hourly as well break to the upside. So to understand how to properly trade using the average down approach, reference links in description below. Subscribe and like us on Patreon. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.